What's going on, everybody? I'm T Pendel. Welcome back to T Pendel Auto. Today we're installing gear hooks in the trunk. Now, I got these from Sinister Speed shop. The link is in the description. I'm showing you them right now. They look small, look like they can't hold a lot, but they can. I put gym bags on them. I've had book bags with laptops on them. They hold weight and they're pretty cheap. I bought two for 30 bucks. Again, the link in the description. All tools you need. You already got. They came in a little pouch that comes with your Bronco. So this is something dope to have. You want to hang dress shirts or shirts in the back, book bags, gym bags, anything you want. You need hooks in your trunk to hang things. These work out perfect. They're really quick to put on. And you see right now, I just unscrewed them. I did a bit of a time lapse, but I unscrewed them and popped them on. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. But it's easy peasy. And I'm gonna show you guys how sturdy it is. Look at that, not moving a bit. And the little capsule I put on protects the paint. Make sure you don't scratch it up or nothing like that. There's a book bag on it right there. I think that has like a laptop in it and some other things and maybe some gym shoes. But it shows you, looks clean, looks crisp. So on the 4-seater, you can literally have two of these. You can have a hook here and a hook here. I'm gonna go with two for right now. If it works out, I might get some extra ones. If it's not needed, I'll just leave it be. But you have two different spots on the 4-seater. The 2-seater, you only have one. There you have it. These are the hooks. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, T Pendel Auto as well. Looks crisp. I'm gonna show you a wide shot of both. Look, bags hanging from both sides. That looks really good. If you're on the highway and your top's bag and you're doing high speeds, I wouldn't recommend you hang things on here. But yeah, looks good. See y'all soon. Smash the like button and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at T Pendel Auto for more dope pictures and videos of my Bronco. Thanks.